a short video. So here's what we're doing. We're gonna see which paper airplane can make it farthest. And I want you to put it in comments. Let me see. Let's start with this one. This one's not very good. Oh, I'm gonna go down here and throw it. Well, I'm gonna move some things so you can see better. Oh, here, this is probably like 30 feet. Let's see. I mean, that was decent. Made it right there in my backpack. You're not ready for this one. This one's good. Now, time for this one. Bad. I just never really put that much work into it. Now, this one's my favorite. Frack, I threw it too high. It just like rides super smooth. Oh, that's why. Bro, what? Bro, I keep throwing it. I sometimes keep throwing it too high or too low. Oh, I keep throwing it too high for some reason. I messed with it a little bit, so let's see. Well, this one works better when it's down here. Here, I'll just put it on this tray. Okay, this is the exact same spot where I'm standing. Okay, let's start with the first one that I did. I think it was this one, right? Yeah. This one. Okay, turn. Let's try this one. No. This one. Not very good. I think I accidentally messed up here on accident. Oh, what's happening? I'm not throwing it too hard. Let me just. Bro, you should have seen how good this was like first thing I built it. It was so much better. See, I don't know what's happening. See what I mean? Oh, look. You want to see a better thing? I don't know how it's working out, but oh. I literally hit an ornament and it fell down. Okay, now for the grand finale. Y'all do not know what's gonna happen. Yeah. Okay, where's the other one? No. Wait. Where's my other one? Oh, there it is. Are y'all ready to see the grand finale now? Let me just. Says my name is. Here is the grand finale. You'll probably. I've probably never seen this, but I'm gonna throw all these at once. Let's see what happens. That did not turn out so good. I just got home from school.